It's Mark from ArcherPoint. Today, I'll be walking you through on how to create a test company in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. There are some very good reasons why you would want to have a test company set up for Dynamics NAV, including new employee training, exploring process changes, or updating existing functionality. Having a test company allows you to examine the cause and effect of making changes to your master data, tables like your customer table, items table, and vendors, without actually impacting your production data. When you decide where to set up the testing environment, it's best practice to create the test company in a test database. The main reason is to allow you to test different development changes while not affecting your production environment. So first, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of a company. Once you have your nav client open, in the search bar at the top right, go ahead and search for companies. And I'm in the demo database for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2017, and I can see 3 Cronus's and 1 intern lemonade stand. So the intern lemonade stand has way less data than the other 3. So I'm going to copy this company. To do this, place your cursor on the line of the company you want to copy. So right here, and in the ribbon above, select copy. You can fill in the new company name. I'm just going to call it test company. Click OK, and it will copy it over in a couple of seconds, maybe minutes if the company has a lot of data. Once the process is complete, you can see that at the bottom of the list of companies, there is a new company called Test Company, which is a copy of my intern lemonade stand. So that is how you copy a company. Now, if you want to export a certain company out of the NAV database, you can do this by, in the search bar, typing export to, and click on export to a data file. So in this window, I'm not going to click all companies because I only want to export, for example, the test company. Click that, add a description if you like. I'm going to say exported test company. Click OK and choose where you want the file to save. It's going to be in my downloads folder. Save. And a success message has been shown. The data was exported successfully. That's good. So now if I wanted to delete a company from my demo database, all I'd have to do is click on the company and click delete. Yes. Do you want to delete the company? All company data will be deleted. Make sure you're okay with this and click yes. And because I copied the test company from the intern lemonade stand, but because I have also backed it up already, I'm going to go ahead and delete this one too, just to show you that I can still import a company. So now that I've deleted those 2 companies, to import the So now that I've deleted the 2 companies that I want to replace, to bring them back, to re-upload them to the NAV demo database, I would, in the search bar at the top right, type import from a data file, click on it, and in the assist edit tool, I'm going to click on this company, because this was the nav data file that I just exported out a couple minutes ago. So I'm going to click open, click OK, click yes, and in a couple seconds the test company should pop back right up in the company list. So click refresh and there you go. Test company, it's back where it is supposed to be. So that is how you export and import company files or company data files in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. If you have any other questions, please contact ArcherPoint. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you and have a good day. Thanks for watching this NAV Now video. If you found this helpful, please check out our website at www.getnavhelp.com. Otherwise, feel free to also check out our ArcherPoint website at archerpoint.com. Additionally, if you have any questions regarding our products, services, or information in this video, feel free to email us at info@archerpoint.com. Thank you.